Ever since I've been doing nails, y'all, a lot of people always tell me that I'm slow. If I'm this slow, how I'm gonna hustle and make money? I'll be honest with you, I want to work fast too, but I just couldn't because I talk too damn much with my clients. And the problem with me talking too much is not because I want to talk. It's because back in the day when I was growing up in the nail industry, I was not good at doing nails. I wasn't good at the shaping, the acrylic application. And I know that myself. But when I'm serving the client, I gotta give them my charm. Like I gotta give them my personality. So now I start getting to know who they are, ask their name, their friends, who they like, and we start this conversation. Next thing you know, she liked my vibe, so she comes back for more. And because they come back for more, I have a chance to improve my skill set. And I didn't just make that client into a client. I make her into a loyal client because we spit that personality before the skill. Because the skill is going to come later, but your personality is going to hit harder.